Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool title page in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use, let me just make the scale a little bit more like this. Go to mask and I'm going to select the rectangle one, and I'm just going to kind of make it like this, and I'm just going to make the edges rounded like so. Copy and paste it and place it like to the right side, and I'm just going to make it smaller. I think here I'm just going to make it a little bit thinner on the first one, and then I'm just going to place it to the right side, and I'm just going to make it shorter, and then here I'm just going to make it bigger again, or like just a little bit, and then here I'm just going to place it on the left side. Oops. Then here I'm just going to place that on the left. I'm just going to make it smaller. You can make them joined as well, but you have this really cool frame effect on your video, and you can like add in a text on top like so. Type in like nature or something. It's totally up to you. I really don't like how the T and U kind of like does not separate like that. Let me just find a different font. Like that, and maybe I'm just going to go to the blend mode a little bit. Not a little bit. I'm just going to right click, create compound clip, and then go to video, blend mode, and select soft light or something. I don't know. Maybe add in more like videos to the right or to the left side so you can see the full text here. Whoops. Keep on cutting it. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!